side, they have to say the thing when president talk, not they too hard, not they too harsh. Say why Twitter can't remove president tweet. Are you reason that particular tweet when Twitter removed from the thread when the president made on Tuesday?
Madam Jelilat, the thing where the president talk shock the whole world, shock Nigeria, shock our friends. People they call me from everywhere, say waiting. Now true, the president talk all these things. Make I tell you well. There is nowhere for this world where president would remind people about civil war and say if you people don't take care of, I go do you as we did you that time. Make we call a spade a spade. The thing where the president said was bad. And it was bad enough that they can't put them on top of Twitter, on top of social media. Now the thing where our kids for no see, it no good make young people. You they remind young people say the way I kill your father, the way I kill your uncle, the way we kill them for that time. Now that the only language where you understand that. Now threats. That's number one. Number two, Twitter no, the Nigeria no get shares for Twitter. Nigeria no own Twitter. Twitter get its own standard. If you don't like her, make you comot yourself for Twitter. The reason why you dey use Twitter be say you find them useful, and that's why I tell you say I dey among those who use Twitter to help Buhari in 2015. Till today, I still dey post Buhari picture. Yesterday, I still post Buhari picture for Twitter. I still post them for Facebook. I still post them every day. Then they send me picture with the post for them. Because whether I like or not, now our president. Me, I dey give Caesar wetin belong to Caesar. Me, I dey always respect old age. Me, I respect the man as my president. So even if I don't agree with wetin they do, me I still dey support am. At least make my job na publicity, na media. For you to now say the same thing where you use well, make you just go check how many followers you get for Twitter. Wetin you don't know, you say today how many people go sit down, they watch NTA, they watch any television. How many people they sit down for home? Even BBC now where they talk to you now, no be for Instagram, but they talk to you. No be telephone we they use. If you now kill, you say you want kill every social media platform. You kill Facebook, you kill WhatsApp, you kill. Then we go there inside darkness. The whole world will leave us behind. We no go know self. Wait. May God give a leader wisdom, vision, to know when to get angry and not when not to get angry. You can't just say because they remove you, then you be the owner of this thing. Something with small boys, your grandchildren designer. If you don't like them, just ignore. Now the whole world they talk about Nigeria negatively. Look, nobody crazy reach Donald Trump. When they yarn Donald Trump off, all he just do is go cry for one corner. Nothing. Twitter no mind them. If Donald Trump wait the America with Twitter, no fit control Twitter. How Buhari wait there for Abuja go say he won't control Twitter? How Okulai Mohammed go say he won't control Twitter? If Buhari don't know, now the people around them supposed to tell them, say, this thing no be only for politics that they use social media. Then they use social media make business. People, they make dollars. Nigeria, when they broke today, our young people, they work and then they make dollars, bring the dollar, come to Nigeria. Now you block them. So what is going to happen? I don't know what is wrong with us. You cannot control what you don't own. I once remembered, I read an interview about Chief Gabriel Ibinedion one time. They asked him, say, how you take start Okada Air. The man say one day in the travel from Lagos, I think that they go Benin for Nigeria Airways. He said suddenly some ministers just come airport and now so they change flight. They say the flight will go Kano first before they not go Benin. He said he got angry. Go Twitter, then do your own version of Twitter. That's what they do in China. By now we get correct people for Nigeria who get correct brain, but they don't get support from government. If you give them opportunity, they will do their own Twitter. Then you can do what you like, and then they can begin to talk about Nigeria as you want them. But today, why don't you do anything to Twitter? So now that you don't block them, yeah, block them. What I get in known level, me, I will tell you for free. You see, Uncle Lai Mohammed, na my big uncle, na person where I don't know for many years. But you know, when you take government, you go do your job. Sometimes you have to over-sabi and overdo your job. So me, I don't go insult Uncle Lai Mohammed, because after this job, then we come back home and we go still be family. So let's just leave it like that. But the thing where Uncle Lai Mohammed they talk, no be true. When this thing happened for America, what did they do? They shut down Donald Trump. They don't say because Donald Trump the American president. They shut him down. Nobody believed it was possible. In fact, the thing where they do for Twitter every time, when Donald Trump don't tweet all those his lies, they will just say, this has not been verified. Pew, they will block. Anytime we tweet another nonsense, they will block. That's why they were blocking. When they got tired and they don't fit take him again, they just block him. Bam, that was it. Donald Trump no fit do anything. Okay? Look, if I be Buhari today and I know they happy with what Twitter they do to me, I won't block Twitter. Me, I go use the same Twitter to reply Twitter. It makes more sense. Make I tell you the truth. The thing with me, I think, be say government don't they look for chance to block social media for Nigeria. They're not they comfortable. Say everybody now fit to report. So you know fit tell us lies for NTA or Radio Nigeria or anything. So they they tired. So the thing will go happen now is that not be only Twitter they go block. They go block Facebook. Then go block Instagram. Then go block WhatsApp. We are back to the Stone Age. Person will not know that, then they deceive themselves. The truth be said, there are things that will happen. There are things where they don't be planned, and those things no fit work. If social media day, you go see them. There are things. Me, I don't tell my friends, I go say, you people, you say your brain too, they overwork, over this, over that. I say, the person which don't kill him daughter before, he go they see every woman as a witch. Me, nothing will surprise me again for Nigeria. There are things, I'm emphasizing, with them they plan. And part of that plan, we say, make anybody no disturb them, make anybody no talk, make anybody no complain. So the thing will go happen, we say, you and I, even BBC, if you know they careful, they will tell you, make you back, make you go. These people don't care. The people where they deal with, they don't care about anything. They don't care. Because if they care, they will not say, look, the people will go suffer. Now our children. Our children now, some of them when we born abroad, when we bring back to Nigeria, say make them come to Nigeria. How go they go take survive when they don't fit do their job? Many of these kids, their work depend on social media. Their work depend on internet. 2 of my kids, me I get 4 boys, 2 of my kids, they love Nigeria so much. One of them called me last night, almost crying. And I said, Daddy, waiting be this one again, waiting be this one again. I said, man, I don't feel no. I don't feel that. These were people who were even begging to come back home. Now they want to come back home. Now you want to chase them away. Waiting. Waiting. Look, how you go take no say something dey wrong. Government don't spend 6 years. It remain only 2 years. And you are doing this. By now, normally, government would done the nearly finishing work. Because by next year, campaign will start. So, how can you be banning Twitter when you have barely 1 year, less than 2 years to go? That is the problem. And you see, unfortunately, the thing wey I don't see for corridor of power, be say those who they hang around president, not just Buhari, all of them. Now when they don't leave, then they regret them. Now then when they leave, they go say me I don't know, say na so it be. So some of us, if we get access to talk to the president, because we get our job and our life no depend for government work, we go fit talk to president. But many people when they get job for government, they don't get anything to return to. So then go hold them tight. When they dey power, then go hold them tight. Say yes. This is not my last card, this is not my last opportunity, make I no lose am. That is what is happening. My advice, I dey read somewhere and I don't know, we don't know what to believe, what not to believe again. I dey read somewhere, say Madam said, First Lady, don't disconnect herself from Twitter.
She tweeted last night say she won't come out, she won't deactivate her account.
So the announcement she come for Twitter. See how useful Twitter is. If Nami won't come out for Twitter, I don't go announce, I go just come out myself now. But you still use the same Twitter. So Twitter dey useful to Nigeria. But if
I want to talk about how this will affect the investors coming to Nigeria, say they won't come invest. But before that, another reason where Minister Laima they mentioned we say Twitter they undermine the federal government of Nigeria. What do you think that one means?
I don't know what it mean. Uncle Lai just they use big grammar. They confuse us sometimes. Uncle Lai Mohammed know the truth. Say Twitter no get hand for our problem. No be Twitter go sit down inside Sambisa forest. They do Boko Haram. No be Twitter go sit down for Zamfara, for Kano, for Kaduna, for Niger state. They kidnap people. Twitter na computer. Now waiting you feed inside computer go bring out. Computer no go feed it. No be computer they control himself. Now somebody they control. Now the people where they write, no be Twitter. Twitter na platform. No be Twitter be the problem of the government. Now the people where they use Twitter, now the government the target. Because they know say you and I, the thing will make us powerful. The same we get voice. If we go NTA now, they don't go interview me. If I talk this thing, they go yank me off. But now I have my own television station, IGTV, in front of me. That's why you and I can be chatting. That's not the thing we don't want. Now that power for Twitter, I have 1.6 million followers. And look at, the domino effect. 1.6 million direct followers. On Facebook, in the last 6 days, maximum, 6 days, I don't gain over 60,000 new followers. No power past that one. So, government no go want those people. The Sally Wele no who they talk, who fit talk well, and people go listen. Now that power they want to remove from them. Now waiting, Mazin and the kind they use now. Now social media. But They don't forget that even Nnamdi Kanu was removed from some social media platform. If you say anything wey no tally with wetin social media want, dem go remove you. You are not the owner. You see, e dey make me vex. Say for Nigeria, we too dey worship our leaders. We dey turn them to gods. But me, I don dey deal with different presidents, not just in Nigeria, beyond Nigeria. When you leave power, the people who suffer na your children, na your family. You dey hear me well? Na your family. Any leader wey wise go know say one day, whether you like am or not, if you like spend 20 years, you go leave the place. But wetin be your legacy after you don leave? I know also from Obasanjo, even Murtala Muhammad, Abacha, Babangida, I dey close to some of these people. And I know say today, if they look back, they go want to do things differently. Because life is different outside power. If I be Buhari, these remaining 2 years, unless you no wan go after 2 years, but if na only 2 years remain for am, wetin you dey fight for? God don make you the president of Africa's greatest country. God then comot you for 1985. God bring you back. You fall sick. People say you go die. You no die. If na me, I go dey thank God every day. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Every day, na the thing we have to dey shout be that. You don't need all this stress.
Make we look at how this fits affect the economy of the country. You as you talk and so you get people where you say they get over 1 million followers on Twitter as it is. People like yourself and others, I mean, mostly youth, when they say they thrive for this social media platform. I think say this fit affect the economy of the country.
Oh, not just the economy of the country, it go affect all of us. Look, me, when I contest to be president for 2011, now that time I dey join social media. So the smart thing where I do, be say, I moved from politics to business. So I started using my social media from politics now for business. A lot of my colleagues till now are not strong on social media because they don't see that vision early enough. Say the future, now the future of social media. So the thing wey me I dey do now, I dey use social media for my business. I no dey use social media to come and abuse people, to come and attack government, to come and yes, we can put stories wey they don't like, but government no fit like all stories. We don't work for government. I promote Buhari every day, and I will promote those who criticize him too. That's my job. My job is say make you talk to the good, the bad, the ugly. My job no be to talk to Saint Buhari or Saint Osinbajo. No, that's not my job. So this thing will affect not just our economy, but the economy of our brilliant youths. And the world would they look like us like we are all villagers. When they say we dey live for tree, now people when they live for tree, they behave the way we they behave now. Yeah.
What do you think about the technological advancements for this country on top of this matter? Because it gets different sides. So people don't talk about how this affects the economy, the technological advancements. For your own view, how this one would fit affect the technological advancements of this country?
I don't tell you. Technology, they robust. Technology na the biggest business. If you go look for the richest people in the world today, they are people in technology. It's not oil. So the thing wey Buhari dey tell us now be say he no dey interested in the advancement of technology, make we go back to analog era. It's unfair and unfortunate for Nigeria. Very, very unfair. Because now there are courses where people they do for social media. You know, you don't have to leave your room. From inside here now, I feel learn so many things. If I open my phone now and I go on Twitter, if my Twitter is working now, a lot of people for Twitter, I can start a conference right now. There is something, I don't know, maybe you don't discover Space. They call it Space on Twitter. It's like a Clubhouse. That's the latest. We can have a conversation right now where people will join me on Space, and then just a minute, I'm trying to see. I don't know if my Twitter is still working. It was working a few minutes ago. If this one never die, some of them don't die. Be like that this one don't die. Anyway, okay, wait. It's called Spaces. So if I start now, start your Space, people will start joining, and I can have conversation with people from all over the world. I'm so proud that I'm one of the people of my age able to use social media effectively for my business. Now, you are saying we should go and find something else to do. We shouldn't do our business again. You know, just a minute, please.